feel like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
Hi guys, so I'm about to hop in the shower and wash my hair just to get it ready for my style tomorrow. I washed it last week, but I have been using a lot of product on there, so it is super dry and it looks like super crazy. But I just want to show you guys what I'll be using in the shower. So I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter almond milk shampoo and conditioner. And then I use the Aussie 3-Minute Miracles in the shower to detangle. And then I'll be using the Olaplex Bond Intense Moisture Mask while I'm in the shower as well. This stays on for 10 minutes. This I use just to detangle and rinse out, as well as the Carol's Daughter conditioner. And then I shampoo like normal with the shampoo. So before I washed my hair, I had the silk press for about 4 to 5 weeks. I did get a trim when I got my silk press, and my ends aren't looking too bad. I think I will get a silk press after this style, and I'll either get a silk press or not, but I will go back to that same stylist and have her like treat my hair and give me a trim and everything. But I'm gonna hop in, use these products, wash it, and I'm really ready to get my hair done, so I'm not doing it every day, so I'm happy about that.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Now that I'm all clean, I am going to start blow drying. So before I blow dry, I will put some oil. Not too much though. Not too much though, but I'll put some oil. These kaleidoscope drops for my scalp. And then for heat protectant, I will use the Chi Iron Guard.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Alright, good morning guys. It is the day of my appointment. It's currently 10:05. So I did the initial blow dry last night. So this morning I'm just going to go through again and just make sure. So I don't know what happens with anyone else. And sorry if I'm talking a little weird. I have my retainer in for the first time in forever. But I don't know if that happens to anyone else. But when I blow dry my hair, I always think like the back is going to be the hardest. But it's never the back. It's always like the crown area. So now that my hair is all blown out, I'm going to get dressed, get ready, and I will make some breakfast and then head out. So let me show you guys what I am going to wear. So I'm trying to go very sporty today. So I think I'm going to go for this black tennis skirt with this white tank. It has like a little crossover in the back. And then with this zip-up jacket. So very sporty vibes. So let me get ready, get dressed. Okay, so what do you guys wear to hair appointments? Because I've seen some people wear beanies, some people just let it out, some people put it in a bun. I'm a hat girly. I'm gonna put on a hat. Even if it's looking crazy in the back, I'm gonna just put on a hat. But it is now 10:46. I decided, I still have this white shirt under, but I decided instead of the jacket, I'm just gonna put this sweatshirt on. And I still have my skirt, and I guess to match the hat, I'm gonna put on my blue New Balances. Just because I think that'd be cute. Okay, so I'm on the way to my appointment now. I stopped and got breakfast at Einstein Bros. Bacon, egg, and cheese bagel, and my strawberry banana smoothie. I can't set my camera up, and I'm on the road. I'll get there maybe like 20 minutes early, 15-20 minutes early, so good time right now as long as there's no traffic. But I will talk to you guys when I get there. Okay, so I just got to my appointment. I just got to the salon, and I have about 5 minutes before I have to go in. So I'm gonna really quickly pack my bag that I'm gonna bring in. When I left my house, I bought this just because I had other stuff to bring out and I didn't want to make multiple trips. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my wallet and my AirPods. I have the book I'm going to be reading. I'll be reading Atomic Habits. This is how far I've gotten so far, almost halfway-ish. So I'm gonna try to read that today. My lip balm. My lips be dry. And I will of course bring my camera and my phone. So let's go. Hopefully she lets me record. I didn't tell her before, but like when I go in there, I'm just gonna ask. Should be fine. guys, so I'm just getting home and it's literally almost 12 o'clock, guys. Every time I go to Dallas, I get stuck out there, like I do something. But guys, like, it is so cute. I'm really loving it. Like, honestly, when I stand, it goes to like the mid of my thighs, like almost to my knees. And they're so pretty, and I am in love. I'm in love. But I'm only worried about like the actual hair pieces. If anyone has gotten this and know how to take care of like the hair, like the actual curls, please let me know. Like, I've seen some people like flexi rod or like perm rod it. So is that what you guys do? I'm gonna have to get some perm rods, I think. But they're so cute. And another thing I really loved was that she did not make the braids too thick. Like, if you guys saw my hair, you see how thick my hair is. And usually whenever I get braids, there's just so many braids that like are actually on my head. These are like, not to say thin, but they're so flat. Like, I got the medium. These are looking a little bit on the larger side to me, but I mean, I really like how it came out. Like, I really do. But let me show you guys the style that I was going to get. I actually booked this style. I was gonna get this super curly, cute blonde style. Look how cute that is. But the hair did not come in time. She ordered the hair, but it did not make it. So thankfully I was able to keep my appointment and we just did this style instead. But she said when I book again for that style, she's gonna give me like $50 off the style, which is super clutch. And I think I'm gonna get that like the next time I get braids. Like, I'm thinking when I go to the Drake concert, because I actually bought my tickets, thank God. So that's gonna be in a few months. No, 3 months. It's in like 3 months. So I'll probably go and get that closer to the summer. But guys, I want to show you guys this drink. So Olipop, I've literally seen people talk about this, and I saw it in the store today. I was looking for it and it wasn't where I thought it was gonna be, like with the other like kombucha and stuff. It was actually by the fruit, which was weird. I went to a Tom Thumb, but this is like a prebiotic, probiotic, plant-based soda, 2 grams of sugar and 35 calories for the whole can. And I'm not a huge soda drinker. Like, the only soda I really drink is like Sprite and root beer, and that's very rarely. So I saw this was good for your digestive system, so I wanted to try it out. And guys, like, it's honestly so good. You can taste the difference from like regular soda, which is honestly not a surprise, but it's like plant-based, like, and it literally tastes like really good. So I think I'm gonna start drinking this. Like, it's only 35 calories, so like, I don't think it's that bad. So I don't know, I'm even looking at the ingredients. The only questionable ingredient is, okay, one, I didn't realize they had caffeine in here. So, okay, there's caffeine. And then the Coca-Cola flavor. So I don't know, I feel like some stuff might be in that, but other than that, like, I can read all of the other ingredients, which is good, you know, like, so much better than like an actual soda. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to get my hair done, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys have had this style before, let me know how it went for you and things that you did to keep it up. And if you haven't, let me know if you would get this style. Like, I think it's so cute. I really wasn't expecting to get this style, but now that I have it, like, I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.